Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Magica. Today we will solve questions based on area of rectangle and right angle triangle. The first question is, the area of rectangle is 24 cm square. If one of its length is 6 cm, find its breadth. Area of rectangle is given, that is 24 cm square. Length is 6 cm. Find its breadth. Solution is, the area of rectangle is equal to 24 cm square. Length of rectangle is equal to 6 cm. Find its breadth. Apply the formula of the area of rectangle is length multiply its breadth. The area of rectangle is equal to length multiply its breadth. Put the values. Area of rectangle is 24 cm square given. Length is 6 cm. Multiply breadth. 24 cm square as it is. 6 is in multiplication. When it moves to another side, it will change into division. 6 cm is equal to breadth. Simplify it. 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. Centimeter cancel with each other. 1 centimeter cancel with each other. Breadth of rectangle is equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore, breadth of rectangle is equal to 4 centimeter. This is your required answer. Now the next question is, the area of rectangle is 96 cm square. If breadth of the rectangle is 8 cm, find its length. Area of rectangle is given 96 cm square. Breadth is 8 cm. Find its length. The solution of question is, the area of a rectangle is equal to 96 cm square. Breadth of a rectangle is equal to 8 cm. This is a shape of rectangle. Breadth is equal to 8 cm. Find its length. Find the length of a rectangle. Find the length of a rectangle. Now, use the formula of the area of a rectangle is equal to length multiply its breadth. Put the values. Area of rectangle is 96 cm square. Find out length. Breadth is 8 cm. 96 cm square as it is equal to length 8 in multiplication. When it moves to another side, it will change into division. Divided by 8 cm. 12 8s are 96. Centimeter cancel with each other. Length of a rectangle is equal to 12 cm. Therefore, the length of a rectangle is 12 centimeter. This is your required answer. Now the third question. Find the cost of tiling a rectangular hall 30 meter long and 15 meter wide at the rate of rupees 6 per 10 square meter. Find the cost of tiling a rectangular hall whose length is 30 meter and breadth is 15 meter. Rectangular hall means shape of hall is like a rectangle. Now the solution of question is length of a rectangular hall is equal to 30 meter. Breadth is equal to 15 meter. Rectangular hall means shape is like a rectangle. Length is 30 meter. Breadth is 15 meter. Area of a rectangular hall is equal to area of a rectangular hall is equal to apply the formula of area of rectangle. Length multiply breadth. Put the value. Length is 30 meter. Breadth is 15 meter. 30 multiply with 15. Area is always square units, square meter. 30 multiply by 15 is 450 square meter. Now, the cost of tiling 10 square meter is equal to rupees 6. The cost of tiling 1 square meter is equal to, see, 10 square meter to 1 square meter. You are moving from maximum number to minimum number. That time you will divide. Rupees 6 divided by 10. The cost of tiling 450 square meter is equal to 1 square meter to 450 square meter. You are moving from minimum to maximum number. That time you will multiply. Rupees 6 divided by 10 multiply with 450. Now simplify it. 0 cancel with 0. Rupees 6 divided by 1 is rupees 6 multiply with 45. Rupees 6 multiply by 45 is 270. Therefore, the cost of tiling is rupees 270. This is your required answer. Now the fourth question is, in the figure given below, the triangles are DAC and BAC are right angled triangles. If AD is 22 cm, AB is 8 cm and AC is 14 cm, find the area of triangle BDC. This is a given figure, triangle BDC. It divides into two right angled triangle, triangle DAC and triangle BAC. Now the solution of question is, in triangle DAC, AD is 22 cm, AC is 14 cm. Area of right angle triangle DAC is equal to, now the formula of area of right angle triangle is half into base into height. Base is DAD and height is AC. Put the values. AD is 22 centimeter. AC is 14 centimeter. Now simplify it. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. 11 twos are 22. 11 centimeter multiply by 14 centimeter. 11 multiply by 14 is 154 centimeter square. Now in triangle BAC, AB is 8 centimeter, AC is 14 centimeter. Area of right angle triangle BAC is equal to half into basis AB. AB into height is AC. Put the values. Half into base is 8 centimeter. Height is 14 centimeter. Simplify it. 2 ones are 2. 4 twos are 8. 4 multiply by 14 centimeter square. Area is always square units. 14 multiply by 4 is 56 centimeter square. This is area of first triangle DAC, that is 154 centimeter square, and area of triangle BAC is 56 centimeter square. Now find the area of triangle BDC. The area of triangle BDC is at the area of triangle DAC plus area of triangle BAC. Now the area of triangle BDC is equal to area of right angled triangle DAC plus area of right angled triangle BAC. Put the values. Area of right angle triangle DAC is 154 centimeter square plus area of right angle triangle BAC is 56 centimeter square. Add, your answer is 210 centimeter square. Therefore, area of triangle BDC is equal to 210 centimeter square. This is your required answer. Thank you.